Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Sneha Pemberti. Today we are going to learn about the sentences. Our second topic of grammar, the sentences. But before we starting with the sentences, let us see about the letters. Students, we have learned these letters from nursery onwards. You can see these letters we have learned from nursery onwards. Now, tell me, do you know how many letters are there? Yes, there are 26 letters are there, or we can say alphabets. Children, now tell me, those are which are those letters? Yes, the letters are A to Z, capital letters as well as small letters. You can see here A, B, C, D with the capital letters as well as small letters. Children, these letters are joined to form a words. These letters are joined to form a words. Now, let us see about to the word. Here you can see a word is a meaningful group of letters. We can say that a word is a meaningful group of letters, or just I have said that one, letters trying to form a word. Letters trying to form a words. For example, cup, board, school, book. Now, think some other words in your mind like parents, grandmother, teacher, students, etc. These all words have a meaning. These all words, they have a meaning and they are a meaningful words. We can say they are a meaningful words. Now, coming up to the sentence, these all words we have seen join to form a sentences. So, we can say that a group of words make complete sense is called sentences. A group of words make complete sense is called sentences. Now, children, here some group of words are there. Just read these group of words. First one, like, I, cartoons. Second one, in the garden. What do you think that one about these sentences? Here you can see first one, like, I, cartoons. The first group of words does not make any sense. What is the sentence? We say that one, that a sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense, but here you can say that the first group of words does not make any sense. Second one, in the garden. The second group of words make sense but not complete sense. Here we can see here, in the garden. This group of words make sense but it is not complete. So, what is the correct sentence we are going to see now? Now, look at here, read these group of words. First one, I like cartoons. Second one, Meena is walking in the garden. Now you can see these group of words make complete sense and are called sentences. Previous what we have seen, like I cartoons in the garden. These two groups of words, first group of words does not make any sense and the second group of words makes sense, but it is not complete. So, what is the correct sentence? We can see that I like cartoons, Meena is walking in the garden. Means these group of words make complete sense and are called the sentences. What is the definition of sentences? A group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentences. Now let us see some more examples. See here, read some more examples. First one, my umbrella. Second one, from my house. Third one, school a playground my has. These group of words again does not make any sense. These group of words does not make any sense. So, these are not correct. Complete the sentence. We have read these sentences, group of words once again. My umbrella. Here is the group of words which is not complete. So, what is the complete sentence? We can say that one, that is my umbrella. We can say this is the complete group of words. We can say that is my umbrella. Second one, from my house. Again this group of words does not make any sense. Which house, whose house, where is your house? It does not given the clarification of the sentence. So, what is the correct sentence? We can say my school is far from my house. We can say that one, my school is far from my house. Now, third one, school a playground my has. Here also you can say group of words are there, but it's not make any sense. So, what is the correct sentence? We can say that one, my school has a playground. We can say my school has a playground. Understood? Once again I am going to say, we have seen three examples. First one, my umbrella, from my house. Third one is school a playground my has. These group of words does not make any sense. So, the correct or the complete sense we can say that one, the correct answer is, first answer is that we can say that is my umbrella. Second, from my house is that. So, correct or the complete sense we can say that My school is far from my house. Third one, a school or playground my has. So, correct, we can say the correct answer is my school has a playground. See, in the bracket I have given which sentence is correct, I have put mark with the tick, and which sentence, which group of words is wrong or the not make any sense, I have put mark the cross. So, you can understand easily that one, which group of words it makes sense, which group of words it does not make sense. Shall we go for the, now students, you have to open your grammar book, that is page number 6, open, take pencil, eraser with you, but do not start writing. After I given the instruction, then only you can start the writing, or you have to solve the answers. Okay. First, look at here on page number 6, A1, the question has given tick, in the bracket tick mark it has given the sentences, and cross, again in the bracket it has given the cross symbol, those which are not. See, what is the question? Tick the sentence, correct the sentence and cross those which are not. Okay? One by one we are going to see. First one, Suhana is my best friend. First one is Suhana is my best friend. Now, this group of words does make any sense? Yes. This is the correct sentence, or these group of words make sense. So, the answer you can say it is correct or no? Yes, it is correct. Do not write, just listen now. Second one, happy I am very today. Happy I am very today. Now, second group of words here, you can say that one, it does not make, or it is not the complete sentence. So, what do you think? This the sentence is the correct or no? Yes, it is not a correct. So, what we have to do? In the box we have to, which sentence is not correct, what we have to do? We have to cross. In the box you have to cross it. Third one is the phone is ringing. Third one is the phone is ringing. Now, here see that one, this group of words, it make a complete sense. It makes a complete sentence. So, which sentence are correct, that what we have to do? We have to tick mark. We have to tick mark. In the bracket in your textbook, it has given blank box is there. There you have to tick mark. But do not do now. When I will show you the answer, that time you can copy from the skill. Fourth one is in the market. Fourth one is in the market. Here also we can say the group of words does not make any sense now. So, this is not the complete sentence we can say. So, the sentence, if it is not complete, we have to, what to do? Cross. Thus, beside the sentence in the box, we can put mark the cross symbol. Now, fifth one is not Jyoti, neighbor, my. Fifth one is not Jyoti, neighbor, my. Again here the sentence we can say, or the group of words here not complete, or that randomly it has given that one. We can say it is jumbling. These group of words is jumbled to us. Is not Jyoti, neighbor, my. So what is this? This is the correct sentence? No. This is the not correct sentence. What to do? We have to cross. You can see the answer on the screen. Again I am going to repeating. First one, Suhana is my best friend. This group of words make complete sense. So it is the correct sentence. So in the box what I have did put the tick mark. Second one is happy I am very today. Here the group of words again not make any sense. So this is not the correct sentence, we can say. So if it is not correct, we have to cross. We have to put the cross mark. The second answer is not correct, so I put mark it cross. Third one, the phone is ringing. This is the correct sentence. It makes a sense, or it complete the sense. So we can say it is the correct sentence. So I put mark it here correct. The symbol you can see correct. Fourth one is in the market. Again it not complete the sentence. These group of words does not make any sense. So it is not the complete sentence. The answer what it will come? Cross, or we can put the cross in the box. Fifth one is not Jyoti, neighbor, my. Again here you can see the group of words are there, but it is jumbled. It is not in the correct way. So the fifth one is not Jyoti, neighbor, my. This is the wrong sentence we can say, or it is not the correct sentence. So this is, we can in the box we can tick mark with the cross. I hope you understand these 5 sentences. You have to copy these answer. Now the sixth one is birds are singing. Here the group of words it makes sense. It is the complete sentence. So what is the answer? The answer is correct, but you don't write it, just listen. Afterwards you can copy from this on the screen, you can copy it. Don't write it, just listen what I am going to say. Sixth one is birds are singing. Now these group of words it makes sense. So we can say it is the complete sentence. The answer what it is there? It is the tick mark. We can say correct tick mark, we can put it on the box. Seventh one, singing birds. Again you can see that one. Sixth one, birds are singing. Now seventh one, singing birds. You can see here the both words are the difference. So you can, here only you can justify that one, which sentence is correct, which sentence is not correct. Singing birds, it is not the complete sentence, or these group of words it does not make the sense. So we can say this, the seventh one is not correct sentence. What to do? We have to cross. In the box you can put the cross mark. Eighth one, calling is Mother Rohan. Again here the group of words it does not make any sense that. calling is mother Rohan. Group of words are there, but it is not any sense, it is not complete, which we can't understand that one. So, this is the not correct sentence. Once again we can, if the sentence is not correct, what to do? We have to cross mark in the box. So, eighth one is calling is mother Rohan. This is not the correct sentence. What to do? We have to cross mark. Ninth one, what is your name? What is your name? Now, this is the question that you can say when you have to meet to somebody or any guest come to in your house, they ask you that one, what is your name? Is it the correct sentence? Yes, because it makes a sense that one, they are asking you that what is your name. So, ninth one is what is your name is the correct sentence. If the correct sentence are there, what to do? We have to tick mark. Last but the not least is the door is open. The door is open. Here also the sentence make to us give to us a complete sense. We can understand what is the meaning of that group of words. So, it is the complete sentence. We can say this is the correct sentence. We can say this is the correct sentence. So, what is the answer of this sentence is? It is the correct one. You can put mark the correct on the box. Sixth one, again I am going to repeat, birds are singing. This is the correct answer, or we can say it is the correct sentence. So, I put mark the correct symbol in the box. Seventh one, singing birds. These group of words again does not make any sense, it is not the complete sense. So, this is not a complete sentence, we can say it is. What we have to do? We have to put the cross mark, which I have did, you can see on the screen. Calling is mother Rohan. Here again these group of words, it's not make any sense. So, this is again the not correct sentence. Ninth one is what is your name? When guest or you have to meet to your some friends, or you have to meet to the new person, the other person, that time you ask, or that person is going to ask you what is your name. So, this is the correct answer. You have to copy these answer. Tenth one is the door is open. Here this is also the group of words make sense. So, it is a complete sentence, or the we can say it is the meaningful sentence. I hope you copy these answer. Once again I am going to the same question. See what the question it has given. A. Tick the correct sentence and cross those which are not. See which sentence are correct, we have to tick mark, and which sentence are not correct, those sentence we have to put with the cross mark. Okay? First one is Suhana is my best friend. Here this group of sentence, these group of words, it makes sense. So, this is the correct sentence. I have put mark here, the answer is correct or the tick mark is given. Second one is happy I am very today. Again this group of words, it does not make any sense, it is not the complete sense we can say. So, we are not understand what is the meaning of that group of words. So, it is not the complete sense. So, this sentence is wrong. You can see here wrong symbol I have given in the box. The phone is ringing. Yes, this is the correct sentence, you can see. In the market. Again we can say that one, it is not a complete sentence. So, this sentence is a wrong, or these group of words is the not correct. Is not Jyoti neighbor mine? This is not, this sentence is not correct sentence, we can say that one. Next one is birds are singing. The correct one. Singing, birds, you can see the both the difference in the sixth one and the seventh one. Sixth one it is given the correct sentence, birds are singing, but the seventh one is only singing birds. So, you can here only you can clarify which sentence is the, which group of words is the correct sentence, which group of words is the not correct sentence, which does not make any sense. So, seventh one is, we can say it is not complete, it does not make a sense. So, the answer is cross, we can give that. Calling is mother Rohan. This is again the group of words are there, but it does not give us the any meaning that. So, we can say the sentence is not the correct sentence. Answer is cross one, it will come. Ninth one is, what is your name? Here you can say the asking the question. I think this is, we all are know that one, this is the correct sentence, and the last one is, the door is open. These are the 10 sentences we have seen the chapter of second of page number 6. First question we have solved. Once again we have to revise that one. Lesson number 2, sentences. What we have seen? First we have seen the letters. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. These letters are capital letters as well as small letters. Next, these letters again join to form a words. A word is a meaningful group of letters or letters trying to form a word. Now, for example, I have given here cup, board, school, book, etc. Or you can think some more words in your mind like parents, mother, grandparents, school, teacher, children. These all words, they have a meaning. So, we can say that one, these they are a meaningful words. Now, coming to the sentence, a group of words make complete sense is called sentences. What is sentences? A group of words make complete sense is called sentences. Now, read these group of words. I like cartoons in the garden. The first group of words does not make any sense, and the second one is, the second group of words it makes sense, but it is not complete sense. So, the correct sentence we can say, here you can read this group of words, I like cartoons. Second one, Meena is walking in the garden. Now, these group of words make complete sense and are called sentences. Now, what is the definition of sentence? A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. A group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. Now, here again I given some more example. First one, my umbrella, from my house, school, a playground, my has. Now, these group of words, it does not make any sense. These are not the complete sentence we can say. I have put mark the cross because it is does not make any sense. So, it is not the correct sentence. So, what is the correct sentence? First one is, that is my umbrella. Second one we have seen that my school is far from my house. My school has a playground. I think you understand about these all things and you note down the answers also in your textbook. Now, next period we are going to see about the rules and the related that rules, what are the sentence, how to make the sentence. That's everything we are going to see in the next period. Now students, today's homework is that you have to read of page number 6 your drama textbook. The definition you have to learn and try to solve make the new sentence and try to solve that sentence is the correct, make the correct sentence and trying to solve in the correct sentences. I hope you understand. Thank you.